Firstly, pump quality. The pump's the working part of the sprayer, and so when looking at a cheap sprayer compared to one of our sprayers, you'll see an immediate difference in the quality, the build of the pump. Our standard backpack 20 litre symmetrical sprayer has high quality copper pump that's built to last. Our cheaper sprayers will invariably have cheap, vastly inferior plastic piston pumps. So the pump quality is a lot higher, which means it will last a lot longer. Secondly, chemical compatibility. All of our sprayers have high quality seals, so Viton seals, so they're compatible for use with a wide variety of different chemicals. They'll handle all different agrochemicals. Cheaper sprayers will not handle some chemicals, so they use lower quality seals, being the main part that will be attacked by some chemicals. And so you'll find that they'll be fine for basic pesticides, but they may struggle with anything other than that. So wider range of stuff can be put through our sprayers safely. Thirdly, general robustness. So you pick up one of our sprayers, it's built absolutely solidly. Anything from the thickness of the plastic that makes the tank to the pump we talked about, the sturdiness of the lances and the valves and all of that. Much higher level of robustness than with the cheaper sprayers. So they're tougher, they can take more punishment, they'll last longer. Fourthly, ease of use. Our sprayers are designed with a number of features that make them, they're easier to pump, they're easier to pressurize than the cheaper sprayers, they'll maintain their pressure better, and then little things like having very big fill lids and deep basket filters for when you're filling up the sprayer. Ours are designed to be very big and robust, so they can be removed if you're wearing thick gloves, whereas cheaper sprayers will be more fiddly and harder to fill. Next, filtration. This is a big one. Basic cheap sprayers they'll have a little filter behind the nozzle or something like that. Our sprayers have 4-stage filtration. So a number of different stages of filtration to prevent the nozzle from clogging up when they're being used. So if you get any sediment in there, it gets filtered out before it can cause problems with the nozzles. So cheaper sprayers will clog far more easily than our sprayers. Our sprayers also have internal agitation, so as you're pumping it, you're also agitating the fluid in there as well. And so that helps keep any sediment from suspended, and so it's less likely to cause clogging problems. Filtration, very important if you're going to be using these sprayers on a regular basis. You don't want the nozzles clogging because they're a pain in the arse to unclog once they are clogged. Next, comfort. Our sprayers have large, thick, adjustable padded straps, and they have an ergonomic design to make them comfortable to wear. Again, very important if you're using these backpack sprayers for any length of time. Cheaper sprayers will generally not have those thick padded straps. They're designed and intended to be used infrequently for small jobs, which they're perfectly fine for. But if you start wearing them for long periods of time, you're going to struggle and you're going to potentially injure yourself if you're using cheaper sprayers. And finally, accessories and spares. Our sprayers have the widest range of accessories of any sprayer on the market. There's a huge range of booms and lances, dosing valves and flow regulators and nozzles that you can put onto our sprayers that are compatible with our sprayer units. For the cheaper brands, those cheap 25 to 40 quid brands, you're not going to get anything other than a basic lance and spray nozzle. They just don't have the accessories available to them, and then getting spares for these cheaper brands is going to be difficult as well. We stock spares in the UK because we're servicing a professional market. That market demands that we have spares readily available for if something gets broken or damaged, we need to be able to replace it quickly to get our users up and working again as quick as possible. So we always have spares readily available quickly throughout the UK.